How to get the best pocket option discount promo code. Now I'm gonna be using Google Chrome for this video, and you can go ahead and use any preferred web browser that you want. And from here, just simply go to your new tab and just go to this website right here called wethrift.com. Now this website right here offers you or giving you out specific or certain amount of discounts and codes for you to be able to enjoy it. Now once you are on Wheat Thrift homepage, all you have to do is just find the search stores or your search bar and just simply type in pocket option and wait till the pocket option pops out. And from here, just click on pocket option and you will be able to have a better view or have multiple results that you can use for the certain amount of codes. Now, if you would like to copy the code, just simply click on copy code and it will automatically copy by itself. Now, once you have copied the code, just simply go to the Pocket Options official website and just simply log into your account and input the code from WeThrift that you have copied. So that's it. That's how you can find the best working Pocket Option promo discount code.